today's video, we are going to do an unboxing for this Gundam that was sent to me from Japan. So we bought this on Hublink Japan. So it took a while before it was shipped to me because of the what is happening right now. But I'm happy that it actually arrived today, earlier than expected. But enough of that chit chat. Let's do the unboxing. Alright guys, so this is the box that it came with. It's just a normal brown box with, of course, the label. There you go. As you can see, it's from Link. Also the stamp from Japan itself, Japan Post. Um, so yeah, the price. There we go. So on this side, it just says there, Link Japan, JP. So yeah, visit their website. It's if you're in the Philippines, you could go in hlj.com. So it's written down below. I will link the website down below where I bought this so that you could buy your own kit there. Right. So by the way, this is not sponsored. So yeah, there we go. Nothing else. Actually, it's just a normal box. Right, as you can see. So yeah, let's open the box. So I have this. This is a Filipino knife, like traditional Filipino knife, ancient. Trying not to scratch anything while opening it. There we go. I've seen. By the way, later on we're going to talk about what Gundam I'm. So I'm not going to show you guys what Gundam it is. Of course, it's a surprise. So yeah, let's open the box. Ta-da! So by the look of it, maybe you guys know what it is already with the looks of it. There you go. So it is the Providence Gundam. This is what we bought on Humble in Japan. So there were only a few kits of this remaining when I bought this. Before they released a lot of kits for this, but it was sold out really fast. And I wasn't able to get one before, but now, since they've restocked, I got one myself. And I'm happy that I got one. Wait, stuck at the bottom. What the hell? Ah, there we go. Oh, that's like, huh. Alright, so what I got is the regular one, the Providence Gundam regular one. They released two types of Providence Gundam, the regular one and the special edition. On the special edition, the box is different, the design is different, but the contents, there were stuff that are included on the special edition that are not here on the regular one. Like for example, the Zaft logo stand, the Zodiac Alliance Freedom Treaty stand or ZAF stand, the decals for a lot of Gundams, like A1 decals. I don't know if it's still included on the special edition, but those were the stuff that you can get on the special edition one. I don't know if it's worth it to buy the special edition one just because for the stand, but for me, it's okay that I could get this one and just buy a regular stand. Um, Even though it's just a bootleg stand for 150 pesos, so it's fine. Because I'm not really into having those kind of stuff. So yeah, having it displayed, it's fine with me. So there we go. So this is the design of the box. Go. Look how cool the Providence Gundam is. So I'm not really expecting much for this Gundam because I've seen reviews uh, on the internet that it's not really that promising because of how cartoony it looks like or how anime the kit looks like. They said that they've done a lot of details on this that it looks really underwhelming and underwhelming. So yeah, I'm not expecting much, but let's see once it is built. Right, so this is the name, Providence. There you go, Providence Gundam. Anyways, this kit is from the Seed series, the Gundam Seed. So yeah, I'm collecting a lot of Gundam kits from Gundam Seed. I don't know what kit should I do next, so comment down below on what kit should I do next so that I could do an unboxing, also a review on that. Great, so this is the side of the side. There you go. It's how it looks like. The cool thing about this kit is the Dragoons. There you go. Weaponry in parts, the Dragoons and the Dragoon effect. So those were the only thing that's wait, camera is pausing. There you go. There you go. The Dragoons. There. Let's lower the camera a little bit. There we go. So yeah, the Dragoons. Here on the side, of course, the name. There, Zaft mobile suit. There you go. It's an MG kit. I'm buying MG kits. I don't know why, but I don't really like collecting HG kits. So I love collecting MG kits. There we go. So there. This is how you could pose the Gundam. Go there. The Dragoons. This is the only thing that's cool about this one. So like the Freedom Gundam, which has the cool wings, this one has the cool Dragoons. There you go. There. The beam saber. Go. There. So it's just the same with the other side. So let's open the box. Right. There we go. Let's adjust the camera. Right. The only I'm kind of worried on how they package the whole thing, because it doesn't have any bubble wraps, or it doesn't have any protection bubbles in it, so it could get dents and stuff, or it could get damaged inside. There you go. All they have is this piece of cardboard at the bottom. See, so that the package won't fall off. Right. At least I have an extra box. All right. So look how cool it is outside of the plastic. See that? Sometimes I'm trying to recreate how they look in the box when I display it. Sorry. There. Or on the sides. Or sometimes I love going on the internet to see how they display their Gundam so that I could have a copy. There. As you can see, it's an MG kit from Gundam Seed. Right, it has the logo there as well. They're from the Seed series, serial number. There. There you go. The marking. So I don't put decals on my Gundam so that they will look cleaner. It's just me. So right. So enough about the outside of the box. Now let's go and unbox this thing. Right. So let's go and open up this bad boy. Alright, first things first. Here are the decals. Watermark decals. There you go. As you can see, it has the Zaft logo, everything. This is for the parts. This is the water cows. So all the parts still intact. Happy about it, by the way. Here we go. So I'm not gonna open them Alright, so this is for the backpack. Right. Transparent decals and the stand. So the stand that came with this kit is the same stand that you get on the Strike Freedom. It's just the single stand. It's not an action post stand. Go. So maybe I have extra action post stands for MG that I could use to display this, and I'm happy that I have those extras. So right, so this is the manual, as you can see there. Has the name of the Gundam. Sorry for that. Has the design. This kind of reminds me of the Attack on Titan. I don't know why. Looks like Wall Maria, and then this is getting ready to fight like the Titan. I don't know why. Anyway, sorry. Alright, so this is the actual look of the Gundam. There you go. My friend has it. It comes in gray. Yeah, like a dark gray. I don't know this one if it comes in dark gray. Yeah, it comes in a little bit grayish, but not dark gray. Go. Description. I really have to learn how to read in Japanese. Oh, they have a translation. Alright, so maybe I'm gonna read that later. Not the time. Go. Alright, so this is everything about. There you go. Let the wind. Alright, so that's the Dragoons, how you could post the Dragoons. This is for the water cows. If you wanted to install the decals, this is the instructions for it, so that you won't get lost on where to put it. There you go. As I've told you before, I'm not really into putting up the decals, so yeah, maybe I'm just going to throw that away, or maybe sell it online. At the bottom of the box, nothing. There we go. So that's all for the unboxing of this kit. So I hope you enjoyed today's video, and please drop a like, subscribe to my channel. Please comment down below on what do you think of this video, and what kit should I do next. I'm really into Gundam Seed right now, so I already have the Stray Seed series. I already have the Strike Freedom. I already have the Providence. So let me know what you guys think I should get next. Comment down below, and as always, I hope you all stay safe on the quarantine right now. Praying for y'all safety, and yeah, I hope I could see you again next time. Bye.